here's introduction of TOR Browser. It is a free and open source software for enabling anonymous communication. The original name of this browser is the Onion Router. Using TOR makes it more difficult to trace internet activity to users, including visits to websites, online posts, and other kinds of communication. This browser intends to protect users' privacy and their ability to conduct confidential communication without being monitored. TOR first bundles your data into layers of encrypted packets before it enters the TOR network. It is then routed through a series of volunteer-operated services called nodes or relays. Each time when you pass through one of these relays, a layer of encryption is removed, and when you reach the final relay on your path, known as the exit node, the last layer of encryption is removed. The biggest drawback of using TOR is speed. Since your data has to travel through multiple relays before reaching your final destination, browsing can be very slow. Let's look at this example. If I want to buy a ticket from AXS, my browser is going through Canada, Poland, and Germany, and this is generated randomly each time. Also, your ISP can't see what you are doing, but it can see that you are connected to TOR. This by itself can be enough to raise suspicions about what you are doing, even though you may just be legally using it to browse the internet.